Model A. Power on, ignition on. Turn your fuel valve on. Make sure you turned it off so it's not out of fuel, right? Usually put these about halfway down. These are kind of dialed in, so I'm just gonna leave them. And then you'll pull, pump, ignition on the top here. Keep it running. You can dial these in and more if you wanted to, you know, adjust your idle and timing, stuff like that. Running good. Got a map light, that works. Showing 394 miles or 39. It's a restoration. Very, very, very nice Model A here. Everything's as it should be. Good headliner, good roof. All windows look new. Very nice. No haze, cracks, anything like that. They all work. Vent works up here. There we go. Works great. Runs into the gas cap there so we don't go too far. And hinge it back up. There we go. Lock it down. Nice big rear view mirror. Your shade on that back window works. You know, you pull and let it go. Cool little old school blind. Good responsive throttle. Clutch feels good on this. E-brake holds it, works good. Fuel gauge showing 3/4. Working nice. 4 or 3-speed, reverse, left and up. Headlights work, horn works. No heater in this guy. Be nice because it is not a warm day up here today. We're just gonna putt down this hill. Brakes are good. Just don't want to be dragging them down the hill. Runs cool. I had it running the whole time I did the first side of the car when I had the headlights on. Then I flipped it and turned it off, turned the headlights off and all that. But amp meter's showing good. Rides like a Model A, that's for sure. It's really fun when these cars just work, and this one just does. Got it up to about 45 miles an hour on the way out to photos. We'll try and get it up there again for you. A lot of questions we get are, will this do 55? Will it? Yes. Will you enjoy it? Hard to say. I wouldn't. Short jaunt on the highway, no big deal. Anything more than that, I think I'd want another gear. Something like that, you know. She'll be screaming. Runs cool. There's a little gauge on the bottom of that Swan with a mercury going up and down. About halfway up. All right, we're in third. There's 35 for you. Nice smooth concrete road. There's 40. Straight as can be though, look at it. Man, a red light. All right, getting back up to 40. Go ahead and like, follow, subscribe on YouTube. Check it out at frankmanmotors.com. Any questions, give us a call. We'll let you know if it's still available. Other than that, we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.